What impact would artificial intelligence play on jobs in the very near future? That's what we're going to explain in today's video. I came across this article by PwC Global, and I'm going to leave the link for it in the description. But before we get started, make sure you drop a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. That way you can be notified when I drop more valuable information, because we're going to be talking about innovation and how you guys can take advantage of opportunity that's presented to yourselves before it becomes mainstream knowledge and be able to create some very good income or create wealth for yourself over the long period of time. But this article by PwC Global, it says specifically, what's the total economic impact of artificial intelligence in the period of 2030? It says it's going to add an additional $15.7 trillion to the global economy. So guys, understand something. If you look at what's happening in today's time, AI has been helping you for numerous years, and you may or may not have paid attention to how it's been subtly helping you over the period of time. You got smart watches, smartphones, you've got smart cars, smart homes, you've got all this different AI around you each and every single day helping you. And in most of the businesses that you travel to, guys, there's even been artificial intelligence that's helping doctors perform very intricate and detailed surgeries. So I'm saying all that to say this, guys, in the near future, AI is going to have a 100% impact on all industries. It may not mean it is wiping them out completely, but there's going to be an impact to every single industry that is out there. And there will be a lot of jobs that will be replaced by artificial intelligence. Think about something. AI, it does not need sleep. It does not need to be late for work. It doesn't get into arguments with its spouse. It can work 24 hours a day and doesn't need any breaks, doesn't complain while it's doing so. The beauty about that is you do all those things. You get tired. You have days where you don't feel like it. You don't perform your best. Companies are now understanding how they can leverage artificial intelligence, spend less money than payroll to you, and on the other hand, have a better performing or better outcome to what they're looking to accomplish. It's called automation, and a lot of companies are developing that, have been over the years, and will continue to do so over the years. So guys, I'm going to leave a link to that this in the description. But one of the key things I wanted to point out is it said, what impact will AI have on financial services, which is what I'm about. Trading in the world's largest financial market in the world, forex. It says high potential use case, personalized financial planning. While human financial advice is costly and time consuming, AI developments such as robo-advice have made it possible to develop customized investment solutions for mass market consumers in ways that would, until recently, only have been available to high net worth clients. Finances are managed dramatically to match goals and optimize clients' available funds as asset managers become augmented and in some cases replaced by AI. The technology and data is in place, though customer acceptance will still need to increase to realize the full potential. I already realized. Guys, if you've been paying attention to my channel for a little bit of time, you understand how AI can truly create a part-time income for you, put some extra money in your pocket, pay for some bills that you have right now where you're not taking from your earned income. And if you watch my other video the other day talking about the 3 different incomes of 2020, I talked about earned income, passive income, and I forgot the third one. But go back and check out that video. But if you have a passive income source where it can pay some bills for you that you're not taking from the earned income, that's leaving you some extra money in your pocket that can over time compound into some serious long-term wealth. And guys, you've seen it on my previous video where I talked about the power of compound interest and what Albert Einstein said in one of his videos, excuse me, one of his quotes when he said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Those that understand it earn it. Those that don't pay it. And we pay it already each and every single day. But now there are a small group of people around the globe that are starting to create income and compounding a whole lot faster and more powerful than the banks could ever do for you. So with that being said, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up this video. If you have any questions, comment them below, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. This is Brian Hill with INY Legacy, and I'm out.